Hey, ooh, Santa Wale say, if I dream, then me never want wake up. Let me be sleeping at this place here. Me never want go back to the.
Wagwan people, I'm name the youngest guys. Welcome to the real Jamaican city. In this series of video, them we are going to take you guys through all of the things that are going to help you from the basic level to the advanced level. All our have to do right now is have to stay tuned for this channel, because this is one of the real Jamaican city. Don't worry, you say vocational about the way there, because a whole of them will make sense in a few videos them forward. I know see him daily for that, but what about rotten. So right now me I got up a whole heap of acting them and make we move into the real business thing. Wagwan people, I'm name the youngest guys. Welcome to the real Jamaican city. In this series of video them, we are gonna take guys through all of the things that are gonna help from the basic level to the advanced level. All our have to do right now is have to stay tuned to this channel, cause this is one year the real Jamaican city. Now worry say vocation about the way them, cause a whole of them are gonna make sense in a few videos them for forward. And I'll see them daily for tap a water button rotten. So right now me I go tap a whole heap attacking them and make we move into the real business thing. As me always love to say, manners and respect.
Thank you and love you. Thank you and love you. Welcome to your home of Patois.
Bless up honor Salisbury the Gazzy King. Love guys out for the support.
Welcome back guys. Thanks for tuning in. As you guys already know, it's all about the Jamaican Patois. Recently, a lot of people have developed so much interest for the dancehall music. As you guys know, the thing that makes the dancehall music to stand tall above all other music genres is when it is normally expressed in the lovely and melodious Jamaican Patois. This has placed the fans in shambolic because they always have interest by the language barrier. So this in turn automatically increase the interest of people to learn the Jamaican Patois. Some people tend to lose interest, but please guys, don't lose interest. That's why we are at your service. It's really simple than you think. All what you need to do is to stay tuned. We pledge you guys subscribe. If you also value the content, please like and comment. But if you love the content, please share with friends.